Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works, okay? So the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for our moving average, which is our first indicator here, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your moving average, right? So for the moving average, these are the properties. The period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close, right? The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make the color yellow, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, now the next indicator we have here is the MACD. Alright, so you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your MACD. Alright, so these are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is. Under the style, you make the color for the main, you make it color of your background white, 1 pixel. The signal, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average again, right? So you click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon, you search for your moving average. These are the properties. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its first indicator's data. The level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make the color yellow, 3 pixel, you click on done. Now the last indicator here is relative strength index, right? You click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon, you search for your relative strength index. Now these are the properties. The period is 1, apply to is close. The level you set it to be 85, 15, right? The color is red, 4 pixel, you click on done, right? The time frame is all time frame. Now on the style, you make it color white, 1 pixel, you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, now it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, make sure to listen to everything I'll be explaining in this video. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy. All right, aside this one, there's another powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, even if you are a beginner, even if you are just starting out, you can use this strategy I'm talking about to grow your small account. Okay, it's meant strictly for boom and crash, and even if you're a beginner, you can use it. Okay, so if you're interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Be sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. Right, now back to the strategy here. Now this is how the strategy work. All right, this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do here is that you want to wait for a spike in the market. All right, so whenever there's a spike, you observe your indicator window here. Right, you want to see this yellow line at the overbought level, the green line also at the overbought level. Right, once you see this condition being met, right, the next thing you have to do is that you wait for the yellow to cross below the green line here. All right, so once the yellow line crosses below the green line, right, that's the first condition. Now you wait for the main chart. All right, you wait for the candlesticks here on the main chart to cross below the yellow line here on the main chart. All right, so you wait for the small candles here to cross below the yellow line on the main chart. All right, so immediately you see the crossing, immediately the candlestick closes below it, you take your 5 candles. All right, you take 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. So first thing is that you wait for the 2 line here to get to the overbought level. Right, secondly, you wait for the yellow to cross below the green line. Right, that's it for the indicator window. Now the next thing, you move to the main chart here. You wait for price to cross below our moving average here on the main chart. So immediately it closes, you pick your 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, so this is how you are to take your entry on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, but Before you do that, you need to observe the 30-minute time frame to know the trend of the market, to know which trend you are in the market. All right, so once you have come to the 30-minute time frame, you want to analyze like this. All right, you can either use the indicator if you're a beginner. All right, now you apply the same method. You wait for both line to get to the overbought level, you wait for the yellow to cross below the green, and also on the main chart you want to see price below the yellow line here. All right, so once you see this, you go down to your 1 minute time frame, then you apply the same condition I've just explained earlier. All right, you wait for everything I've discussed, you apply everything, and you pick your 5 candle, you exit the market. All right, so that's how simple the strategy is. So what I want you guys to do now is to make sure you backtest the strategy. Make sure to backtest and see for yourself that the strategy is working before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so if you are watched to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, okay, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, you are all welcome. So I think I will be seeing you guys in the next one, because I don't want the video to be too long, so I will be ending it here. All right, so make sure you practice very well with the strategy at least for a week or two before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.